Welcome to Virtual Reality Game Dev Ed. This is actually a pre-tutorial video for our friend codename S. Some things that I'm going to go over real quick are how to set up Blender so we can actually use it and of course download it. Very first thing we need to do to download it, go ahead and open up your browser and go to vrealitygames.com. This is our website. We have shortcuts to all of the programs and whatnot that we will be using throughout the Virtual Reality Game Dev Ed series. Just go ahead and click on the Virtual Reality Game Dev Ed page, and these link right to the programs involved. All you have to do is click on the image, and it brings you right to the download page on the Blender website. Find which version you need, and go ahead and download it. Then, once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it. It'll bring up a little default scene which just has a little cube. Okay. First thing we want to do is change our user preferences a little bit. So you can come up here and go to user preferences under File, or under either this little icon, either way you can go to user preferences there as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull it up from down here. Just take it into put it in our 3D view menu. Okay, first thing we want to do here with interface is go ahead and make sure all of these are checked. You want auto depth. You definitely want zoom to mouse position. This will make things 10 times easier for you when you're maneuvering around in the 3D view. Okay. Make sure all of these are checked, exactly like my screen here. And then come up under Input, and we need to do a couple things here. We need to emulate the 3-button mouse. If you do not have a 3-button mouse, I do suggest finding one to use for this program. It makes things 10 times easier to work with. And then come down here and emulate the number pad. I hope you have a number pad on your keyboard as well. Okay, now come down here, click back to 3D view. Come out here, click out here somewhere, and hit Control U, and that will save your user preferences. Left click to select it, and now your user preferences are saved, and we are ready to begin working with Blender. We will see you soon.